Oh my God! You guys ever in your backyard, super cold day, it's snowing, and you say, you know what? I want a hot tub.
I'm cold.
I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I don't have a deck. I'm not gonna just drill it in the yard.
Put it in my back bed.
What about the back of the Excursion? Well, today we're gonna show you how to put it in.
Welcome back to Kade Racecraft. Today we're gonna be putting a hot tub in the back of the Ford Excursion. All right, we just got back from Home Depot and we have all of our supplies set up. Pools are out of season, so we had to come up with a different idea for the pool, which is a plywood frame
Tarp.
and a tarp.
Woo! Oh, it even smells like Home Depot.
Does it?
Love that place.
All right, the first step is to build the frame of the hot tub. This is our first cut.
Where's my thumb?
We built the frame outside, so all we have to do is lift it into the truck. We just finished up framing this thing. We're gonna throw some plywood on now. We just finished framing up the hot tub. Next step, we're gonna put the liner in. A little heavy for you?
Yeah, right. Like it's a little heavy. I bench this every day. Oh, it's on my steel toes. Get. Yep. 30 every day. She's stable. Beautiful. Hey! Oh, my legs! Ouch! I'm just kidding, not that bad. Seriously, take it off.
All right, the hot tub is successfully
Finally.
in. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm filling up the hot tub right now. Next step, we're gonna take the coolant lines and warm this baby up. So in the Ford Excursion, there's two sets of heater lines. There's one in the front and one in the back. We're connecting to the back heater line. The hot water that's running through the hose is what's gonna be warming up the hot tub. Theoretically, there should be 120-degree water flowing through this hose at all times. We'll see if it actually works. We've been working hard in the hot tub all day. We are headed off right now to a car meet that's happening downtown tonight. We're super pumped to show it off.
Let's go.
Life is a highway.
I'm on a highway all night long. I'm on a highway tonight. That's not the right song. We've passed like a lot of really nice trucks, so it's definitely a truck meet. And I have crazy butterflies in my stomach right now because there's probably gonna be like 20 or 30 cars there. No idea what to expect. What's up? How's it going? Yay! Yeah! You got it, buddy.
I have so many questions.
All right. Let him begin.
How? Why?
Well, it's been a long journey. Where we are now, it's a convertible Ford Excursion with a hot tub piped into the back.
Yeah, that's incredible. I'm impressed.
I'm not even mad that this doesn't look good at all. It's so cold. It's so cold.
2, 1.
All right, we're starting with $20 for the first person to get in here with me.
Oh my
Who's
God.
first? Do it. Yeah, so we're going higher. We're going higher.
Why you guys wrong? This man is
All right, buddy. Oh my gosh! 3, 2, 1. Yes, brother. Yes.
I follow you on TikTok.
You really?
Yeah.
All right. $40. $40.
40 bucks!
Can I do it again for 40? All right, we're going down to our shoulders, going all the way in. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes! All right. Do we have a group of friends that has 5 people? Come on. Hey, we got 3.
I'll be in it.
4,
I'll be
5.
in it. I'll be in it.
All right, let's go. Let's go. It feels great. It's nice and warm. Yeah, it's like 100 degrees, right? This guy. Hey, this is not where I thought I was coming here to. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, man. Yo, that was the easiest ride I've ever made. All right, so what's your name, bro? Wyatt wants me to sign his dash. Is that right? Let's do it, man. I got you, man. Thank you, bro.
No, dude, that's gonna make the truck worth $1,000 more.
Could be. All right, guys, the car meet's coming to an end. We had a bunch of people participate and get in the hot tub. It was absolutely insane. So cold. I can't help but to yell. Oh! I keep getting chills. Kade, you got it, man. You freaking got it. There's cops. There's cops. I gotta go.